Would you like to unlock your child's full potential? Why not consider booking Study Skills Ireland Parents Seminar, The Best Your Child Can Be, presented by Enda O'Doherty. The Best Your Child Can Be is a talk designed to help parents unlock their child's full academic and personal potential. As parents, we all want to ensure that our child has every opportunity to succeed in their studies. However, it can be so challenging in today's world. What do you say? What do you not say? What can you advise? Well, we're excited to offer a solution to all of these problems and questions. Why not book Enda O'Doherty to speak in your school? This live presentation is 1 hour 20 minutes long, and it's presented by Enda, a regular contributor to TV and radio programs on parenting and study skills. He will answer questions like, how much time should my child do? How can I get them motivated? What should I do around exam time? How do I get that phone from their hand? These and a multitude of other questions will be answered in this fun presentation. This inspiring and highly entertaining presentation uses state-of-the-art computer graphics, audience interaction, and even roleplay. We guarantee this is going to be a fun and engaging experience for all of your parents who attend. At the core of this professional presentation, you will learn practical advice on how to support your child while at the same time having a great evening. As a special bonus, all attendees will receive a complimentary copy of our ebook, The Best Your Child Can Be. This book is full of helpful tips and tricks on how to motivate your child and support them for better academic success. To find out more about our services, why not visit studyskillsireland.com, and if you'd like to find out more about booking this presentation, why not contact Enda at info@endaodoherty.ie or 086 677 2154. Don't miss out on this opportunity to unlock your child's full potential.